Hey everyone, this is my bird Rosco. Come on. He's a good boy. He loves to fly around in my hair. So I just don't own frogs and a cat. I also own a bird that loves to fly around. How old are you for? He's maybe 7 years old. And he still acts like a tiny parakeet. He's a good bird. He doesn't know that many words. He just likes to mock the cat and piss the cat off. He loves pooping in people's hair. One being my girlfriend. He's kind of shy because of the camera right now, but normally he's all loving. He's a good bird. Scared of the camera. There's the frog. But stop flying. He's pretty old, but he's still acting very young. I have him in a big cage. He knows when it's time to go back to. Did you see that? Yeah. So yeah, that's my parakeet Rosco. Hope you guys like him.